So question 19, it says solve by factoring. First things first, when you have to solve by factoring, it does have to equal 0. So we're going to move the 12 back over to the left. It becomes a positive 12. Now that we have this, we're just going to do the x method on the left. So I want two numbers that multiply to make 12, but they add to make 7. So what two numbers multiply to make 12, but add to make 7? Julia? 3 and 4. So at this point, you had two options. We had a shortcut, and this is what most people, I think, ultimately ended up doing. We had a shortcut that says, look at the numbers on the left and right, just change the sign, and that's your final answer. So I have a -3 and a -4 for my final answer. Some people still, just because they weren't sure, they felt like they were making mistakes with that, still went ahead and finished this and said 1x plus 3, 1x plus 4, and solve them separately. So you do x plus 3 equals 0, and you do x plus 4 equals 0. If you subtract 3, you get -3. If you subtract 4 here, you get -4. But those were the same answers we said we were going to get anyway. This was a +3, so make it negative. This was a +4, so make it negative. That'll be your final answer.